time to do something that I've been waiting to do for a very long time, and that's to get back out and do some camping.
Attention now.
Got the tent set up and everything, but the bugs here are insane. The gnats, I think it's just gnats right now. They keep going for my ears. I don't know why they love my ears so much, and there's like 8 of them on the camera right now. So the bugs are pretty bad here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a fire going pretty quickly here to see if that'll get rid of them. Remember, this is your last chance to get the 50% off a Napier online purchase. So if you're interested, all you have to do is be a subscriber. There's freaking gnats on the lens. Be a subscriber and comment down below what you would use the 50% off discount to buy on their website. I'll pick a winner by selecting a random video, and then from there finding a random comment on that video. So you're allowed to comment once on every one of the 5 videos from this series, and this is your last opportunity. So the winner will be chosen 2 weeks after this video is posted. Good morning, everyone. Today is the last full day of the Southern tour, so I gotta make it worth it. So my parents and I are gonna go on a guided boat tour today. We're probably gonna see like a ton of gators, ton of wildlife, so it should be a good time. And then maybe go on some hikes and just enjoy the day, my last full day of the Southern tour. Pretty good. Good morning, everyone. So it's always a sad day when you have to pack up and head home, but had an amazing southern tour. Saw so many different animals, so many cool places, the mountains, the hikes, everything. It was just a great experience. So even though it is sad to pack up right now, I'm glad I was able to do this. Time to hit the road. As I'm leaving, there's deer right here. I'm gonna miss camping. I love camping so much. Like stuff like this where it's just like just walking around the campground and you run into deer. It's just so cool. Alright, I gotta get home though. See you guys.